Hoover Quiet Performance Bagged Canister Vacuum, SH30050, corded. Steerable technology allows you to swivel and turn around objects with a flick of the wrist. WindTunnel 3 technology creates 3 channels of suction to lift and remove surface debris and deep down embedded dirt. 5-speed suction control allows you to match the motor speed and suction to your cleaning task. HEPA Media filter made with HEPA Media traps 99-97% of dust, dirt and pollens down to 0.3 microns. Complete accessory pack, crevice tool, dusting brush, hard floor brush, telescoping extension wand.